people actually put the foot down, they'd actually get somewhere. Right, today, well, I best start by saying about my last video. It went up about 2-3 weeks after I recorded it, and part of it was about subscribers, and it said I was at 50 subscribers. Well, now, as of recording this video, I'm at 90. Oh shit, these brakes. I've just washed my bike and put loads of different products on it, and the brakes have just got really shit. And I've even put brake cleaner on them, so fuck knows. And I think I've got some on my tyres as well, so it's a bit greasy on my tyres, so I need to watch for that. Go around corners and stuff, because I was coming out of a junction before and I felt it slip a bit. I bought some degreaser this morning, cost me £5, and I fucking put about 4/5 of the can on my bike today, so it's pretty much all gone. Oh, you appreciate what you've just been given. Honestly, they don't know the bone sometimes, these bikes. But we're going to meet Matt now. Shit, he's at the docks. Fuck, missed that turn in. Oh shit! But I want to play a game with you today. It's called the Honk Wave Game. Some of you have probably played it before. Basically, does exactly what it says on the tin. You honk at someone and you wave at them, and you see how many wave back as if they know you. Which is quite funny sometimes because they haven't got a clue who you are. So that is a little challenge for you as well. See how many you can get in a day. You can smell chips and ketchup. Smell good, yeah. Oh, hello. Hello, sexy. Should we start this off? Yes! 1. Right. Oh, no! Right, culprits. Number 2. Nothing. Yes, another one. Right, let's see what we've got here. Yeah, well. That was the gayest wave ever. Oh. Oh. Shit. Didn't mean to press it then. Oh yeah! Makes me feel this way. I need a wee doobie doobie dee. Hey! I've got a driving lesson at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. 8 o'clock before football. 8 o'clock! It's only £10 a lesson. Some retired guy. He's a retired driving instructor. Even though he's still doing it, so I don't know how that makes sense. Oh, we fucked this up for them. Go on. Go on, you're gonna have to do it now. You what? Oh, he's waving us down. She. Preston Docks. Docky doo doo. Should we go on, think? Should we go on bridge? So look, let's go on in. Let's go on in on here. Oh, it's a bit wobbly. Don't drop your keys, fucking hell. Wouldn't like to fall in there, would you? It's a bit scary dairy. Ah shit, I just tripped. That was awkward. Race! 3, 2,